Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician. And no, there's nothing wrong with your screen. I have a mask on my face. This is my new, I'm going to call it ultra firming peel, because I have the ultra firming mask kit, and this is my new product, ultra firming, I'm going to call it mask/peel. And oh my goodness gracious, look at me. It's so tight, and it's literally, you could see it massaging the skin underneath. It's so tight. This is the first time I wanted to try it before I put it on my website, so I'll be getting that done this week. But you could see that it works so good. And the difference with this and my mask is the product that you mix with it actually sloughs off the dead skin cells and leaves your skin really smooth. So you're cleaning out the pores, sloughing off the dead skin, and then plus the benefits of the mask. So it's amazing. I'm just really excited about it. So here I am. Gives you something to look forward to. And my masks are so great. I'm thrilled with them. It's something that you aren't going to be getting everywhere because they're very unique. And, I've specialized in this type of product for 30 years. And this one I'm excited about. So I'm going to go wash my face, and I'll give you more information when I launch it, probably later this week. Look forward to hearing from you. And I'll put my links below. Thank you.